Welcome to another episode of Get Cost Idea. Today, we're diving into the costs associated with hiring an immigration lawyer for a green card in 2025. If you're considering going through the process, you'll want to know what to expect financially.
Absolutely, A. Getting a green card is a major step, but it's not as simple as filling out a few forms. Many people turn to immigration lawyers to avoid delays and ensure everything is done right. But of course, these services come with a price tag. So, let's break it down.
Right, the fees can vary a lot. In 2025, you're looking at anywhere between $3,000 and $10,000 for legal help. That price depends on factors like the complexity of your case, where the lawyer's based, and how experienced they are.
Exactly. For instance, if you're applying for a family-based green card, you might pay anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000. But if your case is employment-based, expect a range of $3,000 to $7,000. And that's just for the lawyer's fees. You'll also need to cover the USCIS filing fees, which are about $2,150.
And why such a big range? Well, every case is different. If you have a straightforward case, the fees will be on the lower end. But if you have complications, like past visa denials or criminal issues, the price can increase.
Right. Also, lawyers in big cities tend to charge more. And then there's the matter of how they bill. Some charge a flat fee, while others go by the hour, which can range from $150 to $600 per hour depending on their experience.
That's something to keep in mind. And don't forget about the extra costs you might need to pay for medical exams, translation services, or even labor certification. Documents that aren't in English can cost $20 to $40 per page to translate.
And if you've had any past legal issues, like criminal or deportation problems, you might even need to hire a pardon lawyer. We've talked about that in previous episodes too. Check out our website for more on that.
And here's a tip. Some people qualify for pro bono services, which means they get free legal help. You can find those through local bar associations, nonprofit groups, or even law schools.
Great point, A. Also, don't be afraid to ask your lawyer if they offer payment plans. This can help spread the cost over time instead of paying all at once.
In the end, hiring an immigration lawyer isn't mandatory, but it can certainly make the process smoother. Just be sure to understand all the costs involved and choose someone who is transparent and experienced.
Thanks for tuning in. For more cost breakdowns and updates, check out our website at getcostidea.com. If you found this episode useful, feel free to share it with others.
See you next time on Get Cost Idea.